Hello everyone, welcome to a new video tutorial. In this case, I'm going to teach you how to do a swap face for free. This is really simple, so let's begin. First of all, we have to go to this website, swap face, as you're hearing right here, and we click on download on Windows. So we have to download this program and we have to install on the computer, as you see. So as you can see, once the archive is downloaded, we have to right click here and extract on the PC. This is really simple to do, so we just have to wait a few minutes until this extracts all. And once it's extracted, we just have to open the file, and here, as you can see, we have to search for the installer. So as you can see, once we are in, it's really simple. We just have to select a video here from the video library, and automatically it's going to identify what faces on the video are. So I'm going to choose, for example, this Leonardo DiCaprio face, and here, as you can see, you can have the option to swap a face to some model face that is on the program, or you can also upload any face you want. Also, you can upload any video you want, so you just clip, for example, I'm going to choose this face right here, and you just have to click start. So this is going to take a few minutes, but you can do it faster if you put, for example, Pro mode. Of course, you have to have a better PC, a better graphics, but it's only going to take a minute, so we just wait. And once it's done, as you can see here, this is the final result. It's pretty cool. It does work. It works pretty well to be a free tool. So that will be all. Yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. Please comment, like and subscribe.